So good day, sir. I am Prince Garagafe from PSH 1A Magbuhay. So today, sir, I'm going to make, for my concoction, sir, I chose a unique blend of light rum, Yakult, and grenadine, creating a drink called Rum Rose. So this cocktail combines the creamy tang of Yakult with the sweetness of grenadine, balanced by the smooth character of light rum. So first, we're going to add an icer. And next, we're going to add a Yakult. We're going to add 1 bottle of Yakult, which contains 80 ml or 2.7 ounce. I start by building the drink directly into the glass to showcase its natural layering. As the grenadine settles at the bottom, it creates a vibrant pink gradient that makes the drink visually appealing. Next, we're going to add 1.5 ounce of light rum. Next, we're going to add a Sprite or soda drink of 2 ounces of soda drink. It's optional, but it's very highly recommended. For my last ingredient, sir, we're going to use a grenadine syrup. We're going to use only 1.5 ounces of grenadine syrup.
Asahin mo spoon bro.
For the final touch, we're going to add the garnishes, which is the orange. The result is a refreshing, creamy, and fruity cocktail with a beautiful presentation. Thank you. So this is what I call the rum rose. Thank you.